Right, reloaded. I'm using a custom mixture of Swarfiga and washing up liquid and warm water. Swarfiga is very good for getting the blue off your fingers, so let's hope it works on the bloody carpet. So rinse and repeat. Sorry, had to be done. Just a quick run past on the clean carpet. Oh yeah, said the mucky water. Think again, old pal. Right, okay, I'll just tip that out. Make some more. Crack on. Good afternoon, dudes. It's still June, and we're still beavering. I've just washed that bit of carpet again, and it's still blue, and it doesn't look a right lot different. So I've got a plan. I'm going to hacksaw the entire back off, like that. Throw it away. Find another Caravan. Hacksaw the back off that, and stick it. A bit of gaffer tape, bit of welding, bit of cut and shut, back on here. And then we should get rid of that problem. So that's the plan. What do you reckon? I think it's going to be cool. Yeah, anyway, got the new water filter, just arrived, and the new water pump. I'm going to do that in a minute, because first I have to pop some sealant around this, around the bog, around the toilet there, and the bit up there. I'm going to wipe that down and do that next. One job at a time, as they say. Right, crack on. Okay, outside, I'm going to pop the water filter in. That one out. Bit of vegetable oil around the seal. That's it. Very too tight. Right. That's that. Oh, good. Glad to see you back. Right. Change the water pump. Like so. There's nothing. There's no to it. So I wanted to get on with it. So I resighted it. So there's a bit more room in this locker. There's supposed to be a locker there. Fasten that down. Fasten it down properly, plumbed up. Pop the new filter in, give it a try, and happy to report got cold. I'm going to have to clear the sink. Oh, lovely. Oh, flipping heck. No blags in there. Right, that's cold works. Pull plug out. So, does the hot work? That's the question. Need to fire the boiler up. Okay. Yeah, right. Found the controller, so on. We've got a green light. What the chuff does that mean? Making funny noises. Well, as it blows up, it's been nice knowing you. Have a good life. There's a couple of knobs down there. I think they're on. I'm not entirely sure. I suppose I should go take the cover off and Right, welcome back. The upshot is, yeah, it works. If I can just cure the leaks. We seem to have a few dribbles. The the drain plug that's leaking. Then we've got a little leak at the back which I need to nail down. But apart from that, it actually works, and we've had hot water. So yeah, whoopee. That's a bonus. I found, just to prevent the water from coming out where it shouldn't. We'll be laughing. Somewhere under there. It's not easy to get to, as usual. Right, just having a waffle there, and I'm not sure how much you got because the camera's thrown a wobbly now. I've got 2 hours 49 minutes recording, and it filled up. It said. Oh well, flipping heck. Might as well join in. The general merriment. Right. Oh hi dudes, it's Sunday, day after yesterday. Still got the little leak under the locker for the hot water system. We got fed up with that. Wanted to go on and break something else. So the Carver 2000 heater, which is a little blown air system when it works, that doesn't seem to light. So I took it to bits. I must have been overthinking it because this bit comes out quite easily. So you clip at the bottom on either side and it kind of came out. So this is what we're left with. I thought, oh, it's your gas valve, mate. Well, it is here, but what the hell is it? There's a little sight glass there, so I figure it must be inside. That's just a valve, there's no... That disappears down the back. That's for piezo ignition. I presume this is a thermocouple. Doesn't seem to do anything in particular. So I reckon the flame must be inside. And this is probably the heat exchanger. Then this gets warm, and then it draws warm air around it and blows it, or sucks warm air around it and into down the hole. I presume that's the fan there, because there's something underneath as well. There's an intake underneath, but we're not going to climb under there today. Right. Oh, okay. It should go that way around then, shouldn't it? That's your access flap. Right, so you can see this is the front of the Carver. Didn't show that how that came undone, so I didn't undo it. Right, and what happens is, frankly, not a lot. Now, before you start, we know the gas is on because I've had the burners lit in the cooker, and happy days. Right down there, that little hole. There's a flame. Whoa! Is it getting cold yet? Right. Well, it's been on for half an hour, and not a lot seems to have happened yet, so I'll come back to that. Well, at least the gas works. So, definitive evidence that the gas is on. Right. So, that's off. Spin it round. Shove it down. Can't see a spark. I'm looking down that little hole. There's a little hole. Oh, flipping heck, I saw a flame then. We're all going to die. Well, yes, actually, here we are, but not today. Oh, saw a flame again. Oh, I don't see it now. Oh, I don't see it. Oh, now we're getting warm. So I'm going to let go of that. Okay. Right, I think we're in. Right, okay, that's going like stink. Wow, that's great. Right, so this is it. Okay, that's cold. It perhaps it needs to warm up. Let's try on half power. That's quite warm. That's still cool. That's quite warm. Flame's going like stink. Excellent. Most excellent. Pop that off. Give it a chance to warm up. Right, I think that's the result. I'm going to put this cover back on. Just a bit of carpet that I couldn't get to before. Right. Pop that over there. Nothing on top of it. Right. Don't want to trap any wires. That's it. I WD'd it. It's not much of a sight to look down. But at least that's on. Oh, okay. Bathroom vent's warm. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's starting to come warm. Yeah, and that takes a while to blow through. Right, well that's a success. Happy with that. That's the result. Especially today because it's a little bit cooler, so I've had to put my hat on.